Okay guys, so today we can working on our windows and yeah, so let's try to create a material for our windows. So let's select the window, expand it, and let's try to do something more in here. Maybe corners a little bit darker, or maybe like stripes in here. So let's try to do it. Okay, something. Okay, so let's first of all try to find the ramp. Okay, it will be 2D textures. Okay, so we have a ramp, and we already know the layer texture. Yeah, great. So I will hook layer texture with a yellow color, and to this layer texture I will draw the ramp. Awesome. I'll delete the green color and delete the ramp in here. Great. So what we can do, we can select our, let's select our ramp, let's select the colors. So maybe one will be yellow, second will be probably some kind of darker orange, something like that. Here we can leave it like this, you know, light goes from the top to bottom, but yeah, so okay, one light will be going like that. We can add another ramp here. Let's add another ramp. Now layer texture. Do it. Throw it in the front. Awesome. So what we will do next? We will probably do like a, I don't know how it's called, but a second. Just like what I have in here. Need to dark color and light color, something like that. Okay, so select the white and black and white and black. Great, so just try to type them. We will be align it in a proper manner. And for a type, we will select under U value, because you see right now it's like a laying on the ground. We want to have them vertical. Definitely you can play with hover. Let's say stuff and types. I will stick to the U ramp. Okay, so let's go back to our layer texture and let's try to do multiply, something like that. It's looking great, you can see, and we don't need any texture. I mean, from like a paint in Photoshop or something like that. Easy like that, we can create it in here and change it whenever we want. Yep, great. Okay, so that was the ramp node and the layer texture. Great. So for today, this is it, and we will meet soon on our notes. So see ya.